Okay, this is going to be a short lecture. All we need to do is to create a functionality that is going to display this form. That is, if the user that is being logged in is like if the user that is logged in is the owner of this profile, then we're gonna show this. Okay, so let's head back, and where we have the form, that is this form. Okay, so all we need to do is right where we have the form, profile info. No, let's just start from the div. Okay, so I'm gonna open my PHP tags, and what I need to do is store the user name in a variable. So $user object, I'm gonna get username. Okay, so all we need to do is write an if statement. So if the user that's logged in, that is the user session variable that we created, so if it's equal to the username, actually this should be username. Okay, so we're gonna do this, and right after the section, okay, so we're gonna close our PHP tags and probably reopen it. PHP and end if. Okay, so let's try this out. Refresh, refresh. Okay, and we're still getting the page. Okay, so that's because we are the one logged in, and this is our account, so we can be able to get the form. Okay, so in the next lecture we're going to show the basic biograph of the user. We're going to grab the username, the email address, the role, all those stuff, and the number of posts that the user has posted. So we're going to grab that, and we're going to get rid of this profile and edit profile. Okay, so before I end this lecture, let's just head back to our pages and our sidebar where we had this. Okay, so where we have this link, I'm gonna copy and paste it. We're gonna say profile.php, profile.php. Okay, and question mark user underscore id is equal to, then we're gonna have our PHP tags, and we have a user object underscore obj. Okay, and we're gonna get id. Okay, so let's we change the name to profile. Okay, so let's save, come back, refresh. We should have that right here. Okay, so if we need to get rid of the why is it not showing get id? Where is it? We need to get rid of this. Okay, save, come back, refresh. And we're not getting the id. Okay, so we'll fix that in the next lecture. Bye.